Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can set the same image duration to all of your photos before you actually add it on your timeline. So if you hit the menu button and if you go to the settings tab here, go to edit. You do have to do it before you add all the photos in your timeline. So go to edit, and here in image duration you're just going to adjust the duration of the images. Maybe you want all of the images to be around 2 seconds. You can also do it per frame. Then you are going to press save, and I'm just going to select a bunch of images here, and I'm going to select it and I'm going to add it to my timeline. And as you can see, they're all 2 seconds. Here, like I'll show you here, it's 2 seconds, and then here it'll be 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12 seconds. And that is it. Super simple, but again, you do have to do it before you add it on your timeline. There isn't another way to do it. Once you have put it, you'll have to do it like one by one. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!